Hello everyone, it's great to see you again on the Great Garden channel. There are many planting and care methods, but to help us save time on caregiving, I'll share with you a new planting method that ensures healthy orchids with a root system that grows quickly in a water environment. It saves you both money and effort in maintenance. This is the semi-hydroponic planting method. You won't need to water frequently, yet the orchids will still grow very vigorously. In particular, I'll also guide you on how to make 3 different natural fertilizers, which anyone can easily do at home, to help faded orchids bloom again quickly, with fresher, more vibrant flowers. Now, let's dive into the details. This is an orchid I bought from a store. It has just finished blooming, and the flower stem has been cut off. The leaves are still very green and healthy. However, for it to survive and bloom again, we need to repot it into a new container. After removing the pot, you can see the moss is very wet. Besides American English, I've added voiceovers in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to make the video easier for you to understand. Click the gear icon in the right corner of the screen and choose the language that suits you. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know which country you're watching from. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to support me and never miss any orchid care tips. As usual, I'll remove all the moss, cut off the damaged roots, and then rinse it clean under running water. I'll replace the moss with pine bark. Pine bark retains moisture for the orchid very well, while also draining water quickly. You can use pine bark for orchids without worrying about waterlogging during planting. Unlike other growing mediums, pine bark can last from 2 to 4 years before needing replacement, saving you time and effort. Before replanting, treat the pine bark with boiling water to kill off fungal diseases and provide the necessary moisture for root development. Wait until it cools down, then it's ready to use. Next, let's design a semi-hydroponic pot for the orchid. Recycle a 5-liter plastic jug like this. Cut it in half. You can trim it like this for a nicer look. Then use an electric soldering iron to poke plenty of drainage holes. That's it. Now we'll plant the orchid in the pot. Place the orchid in a pot and add pine bark around the pot. With this simple planting method, you save a lot of time on care because the roots are located in this position. So when placed in a pot of water, only the bottom of the pot is in contact with water, so you can rest assured that the core of the orchid will not be damaged. Pour water into the bottom of the pot. With this method, you won't need to water the orchid frequently. The evaporating water will maintain moisture in the medium, allowing the plant to grow healthily without the risk of over or underwatering. We'll leave the plant as is and avoid adding any fertilizer for 1 week. After 1 week, to help the plant quickly grow more roots and lush green leaves, I'll guide you on making 3 different natural fertilizers from kitchen waste. This fertilizer is called GE, short for garbage enzyme. It's an organic solution developed by Dr. Rosikon from Thailand after over 30 years of research and invention. It promotes root and bud growth with beneficial biological stimulants. It supports healthy plant growth and development by providing ample natural macro and micronutrients. It boosts plant immunity with rich enzymes and beneficial microorganisms. When eating pineapple, don't throw away the peel. Cut it into small pieces and put it into plastic containers. Pineapple peel contains plenty of potassium, phosphorus, and a small amount of nitrogen. Essential elements that help orchids develop roots, stems, and flowers. In particular, the potassium in pineapple peel supports blooming and increases plant resistance. Pineapple peel contains bromelain enzyme and some mildly antibacterial compounds, reducing the risk of mold or bacteria attacking orchid roots. The fermented pineapple peel solution has a mild acidity, helping adjust the pH of the growing medium to create an ideal environment for orchid growth. Each container will make a different type of fertilizer. For the first container, I combine it with banana peel. Cut the banana peel into small pieces. Pineapple and banana peels are both nutrient-rich natural materials that can be used as effective organic fertilizers for orchids. For the second container, I use 1 ginger root. Slice it thinly and put it in the container. Ginger is a natural, safe, and effective solution for orchid care, providing nutrients and protecting the plant from pests. It's an ideal choice for those who want healthy orchids without chemicals. For the third container, I use 1 aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains compounds that regenerate cells and heal wounds. When combined with pineapple and GE, it helps restore orchids with damaged roots, yellow leaves, or those weakened by environmental changes. It's especially useful for orchids harmed by pruning or pests, helping them regain vitality quickly. Next, we'll use rice. Add 5 tablespoons of rice to a jar. Add 2 liters of warm water and stir well. Pour the rice water into the 3 containers. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to each container. This provides nutrients for microorganisms and shortens the fermentation time. Then label them and seal the lids. Fermentation location. Choose a cool, airy spot, away from direct sunlight. We'll ferment them for 1 week before use. After 1 week, we'll use one of the 3 types, any will do, to care for the orchid. A white film appears on the surface, and the fertilizer has a mild pineapple aroma. This is the pineapple and banana GE. Use 1 cup or 50 milliliters of the GE solution. Dilute it with 2 liters of water. Step 1. Use a soft cotton pad to gently wipe the top and bottom of the orchid leaves with this water. Keeping leaves clean and shiny improves photosynthesis efficiency, promoting growth and flowering. GE water from pineapple and banana delivers vitamins and minerals directly to the leaves, supporting plant development. Wiping leaves with GE water encourages beneficial microorganisms, enhancing overall plant health. Cleaning the leaves reduces pests and mold, protecting plant health. GE water provides moisture to the leaves, helping them stay fresh and preventing wilting. Step 2. Water this liquid fertilizer into the orchid pot. Liquid fertilizer from pineapple and banana contains plenty of vitamins, minerals, and trace elements, providing diverse nutrients for orchids. This liquid feeding promotes root growth, increasing the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. The compounds in fermented banana peel can stimulate new root growth, helping the plant absorb nutrients better. Step 3. Pour this water into a spray bottle, then spray it over the entire orchid. Spraying GE water on leaves cleans the surface, creating better conditions for efficient photosynthesis. Spraying GE water on roots quickly supplies essential vitamins and minerals for growth. Step 4. Wipe off excess water to reduce the risk of mold and bacteria growth, protecting the plant's health. Removing excess water helps foliar fertilizer absorb faster into the leaves, optimizing nutrient uptake. Dry leaves improve gas exchange, supporting respiration for both roots and leaves. Wiping off excess water helps foliar fertilizer penetrate the leaves quickly, maximizing nutrient absorption. Perform these 4 steps 1 to 2 times a month, in the early morning or cool afternoon. For optimal growth and development, water the plant every 1 to 2 weeks. Then place the orchid pot in a spot with enough light for good photosynthesis and metabolism. Results after 2 months: new roots grow abundantly and strong. Healthy roots efficiently absorb water and essential minerals, contributing to robust plant development, promoting new roots and leaves. Strong roots provide the energy needed for the plant to bloom again. New flower branches have emerged. This orchid, grown with this method, has developed lots of new roots. They grow deep down to absorb water. This is the semi-hydroponic planting method I'm sharing with you. Care for your orchids with all the love you have for plants, and you'll be rewarded with stunning flowers. I always share multiple methods so you can choose the most suitable and simple one. I have created many subtitles for you to choose from. I hope this helps you greatly. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you next time. Wishing you success.